Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Key podcast. I'm Anna, your host, and I'm super excited you're joining us today.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here with you all. We've got an exciting episode lined up.
Absolutely, David. Today, we're diving into a topic that many English learners find challenging, but so crucial: how to think in English naturally without translating from your native language.
That's right. If you've ever felt stuck because you translate every word before speaking, or you pause too long while thinking, then this episode is perfect for you.
Yes, thinking in English is a huge step toward fluency, and it can make speaking, listening, and even writing much easier and more natural.
Exactly. And in this episode, we'll explore why thinking in English matters, common mistakes that block your progress, and simple, practical steps you can use to train your brain.
We'll also share daily exercises and tips to help you stay motivated and consistent. So, if you're ready to stop translating and start thinking in English naturally, let's get started. Let's begin with the big question: why should English learners focus on thinking in English?
Great question, Anna. The truth is, when you think in your native language and then translate into English, your brain has to do double the work.
Right. First, your brain forms a sentence in your first language, then it tries to find English words that match. This extra step slows down your speaking and sometimes causes mistakes.
Exactly. It's like trying to ride a bike while wearing heavy boots. You can do it, but it's harder and slower than writing freely.
Yes, when you think directly in English, your brain learns to form sentences the way native speakers do without getting stuck in translation.
And that helps your speaking become faster and more natural. You don't have to stop and think, how do I say this? It just comes to you.
Plus, thinking in English boosts your confidence. When you feel words come naturally, you're more comfortable and less nervous about speaking.
That's a big deal. And don't forget, it also helps your listening skills. Your brain starts processing English sounds and sentences faster because it's already in English mode.
Yes, even when you watch movies, listen to songs, or follow conversations, your understanding improves because you're not mentally translating every word.
And there's one more benefit: pronunciation. When you think in English, you start hearing the sounds and rhythms of the language in your head, which helps you speak more clearly.
So, to sum it up, thinking in English helps you speak faster, feel more confident, understand better, and improve pronunciation.
Now that we know why it's important, let's talk about how to actually train your brain to do this.
Before we jump into the training steps, let's talk about some common mistakes that keep learners from thinking in English naturally.
Yes, many people don't even realize these habits are holding them back.
Mistake number one: relying too much on translation. If you always translate from your native language first, your brain never gets used to thinking directly in English.
Right. It's like learning to swim but always wearing a life jacket. You never fully trust your ability to float on your own.
Exactly. You need to trust your brain to form English sentences naturally, not look for perfect translations.
Mistake number two: focusing too much on grammar while thinking. Many learners try to make every sentence 100% perfect in their head before they speak.
Yes, and that actually slows you down a lot. Native speakers don't think about grammar rules while talking, they just speak.
Even native speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes, but they keep the conversation flowing. That's the key.
Mistake number three: fear of making mistakes. Some people are so scared of saying something wrong that they avoid thinking or speaking in English altogether.
Making mistakes is part of learning. The more you practice thinking in English, the better you get. Don't let fear stop you.
Mistake number four: not surrounding yourself with enough English. If your daily life is mostly in your native language, your brain will naturally default to it.
That's why immersion is so important. Listening to English music, watching videos, reading books, or articles in English.
So, to recap, the four biggest mistakes that stop you from thinking in English are over-translating, overthinking grammar, fear of mistakes, and not enough exposure.
Don't worry if you've made these mistakes. The good news is we're going to share strategies to fix them.
All right, David, now for the exciting part. How can learners train their brain to think in English naturally?
We've broken it down into 6 simple, powerful steps anyone can follow. Step 1. Name things around you in English.
This one is super easy to start right away. Look around you and say the names of objects in English.
For example, if you're at home, think table, chair, window, phone. Just naming what you see helps your brain associate English words with everyday life.
To make it even better, describe what's happening around you. Instead of just cup, say, I am drinking water from my cup.
That helps connect your thoughts with English and makes it more natural.
Step 2. Talk to yourself in English.
This might feel strange at first, but talking to yourself in English is one of the best ways to start thinking in the language.
You can do this anytime, while cooking, walking, or getting ready. Describe your actions in simple sentences, like, I am brushing my teeth, or it's a sunny day.
And the best part is, no one else has to hear you, so no pressure.
Exactly. It's just you practicing and training your brain.
Step 3. Use an English to English dictionary. Many learners still use dictionaries that translate English words into their native language.
But switching to an English-only dictionary is a game changer because it forces your brain to understand meanings in English, not translate.
For example, if you look up happy in an English dictionary, it might say feeling good or joyful, which builds your English thinking.
Step 4. Think in simple sentences first.
Many learners try to think in long, complicated sentences too soon and get stuck.
Start with short, simple sentences or phrases. Instead of, I should go to the store because I need vegetables for dinner, start with, I need vegetables. Once you get comfortable, your sentences will naturally grow longer.
Step 5. Have an English inner voice. Try to create little conversations in your mind in English.
If you're planning your day, ask yourself questions like, what should I do first? Maybe I'll eat breakfast.
This turns your thoughts into an English dialogue, which speeds up your thinking naturally.
Step 6. Surround yourself with English.
The more you expose yourself to English, the easier it becomes to think in it.
Listen to English podcasts, watch English videos, read books or articles in English.
The more you hear English, your brain adapts and starts thinking in English automatically.
So, to quickly recap the 6 steps: 1. Name things around you in English. 2. Talk to yourself in English. 3. Use an English to English dictionary. 4. Think in simple sentences first. 5. Have an English inner voice. 6. Surround yourself with English every day.
These steps will help you stop translating and start thinking in English naturally.
Knowing the steps is one thing, but practicing every day is what makes the difference.
Here are some simple daily exercises to help you build the habit. When you wake up, try to describe your plans for the day in English. For example, today is Wednesday. I will study English at 3 p.m.
At night, review your day in English. Think, what did I do? Did I enjoy my day?
Challenge yourself to only think in English for at least 30 minutes every day. No translation allowed.
It might be hard at first, but with practice, it becomes easier.
Spend a few minutes every day describing what you're doing out loud. I am making tea. It smells good.
This makes English a natural part of your daily routine.
Day, when you cook, drive, or exercise, focus on thinking in English. For example, I am chopping vegetables, or the weather is nice today.
Write about your day, your feelings, or your goals in simple English. Don't worry about grammar, just express yourself.
So the exercises are: start and end your day with English thoughts. Set a no translation time daily. Talk to yourself out loud. Use English during simple activities. Keep an English journal.
If you do these every day, thinking in English will become automatic.
Overcoming challenges in thinking in English.
Of course, there will be challenges along the way.
Let's talk about 3 common struggles and how to handle them.
Challenge number 1. Your brain defaults to your native language.
It's natural for your brain to think first in your native language.
Solution. Be patient. Start with small English thoughts, words or short phrases. Challenge number 2. Getting stuck because you don't know words. When you forget a word, try to describe it in English instead of stopping.
For example, if you forget refrigerator, say the cold box where I keep food.
Challenge number 3. Losing motivation because progress feels slow.
Progress takes time and isn't always obvious.
Keep track of your progress by journaling or recording your voice. After a few weeks, you'll see how far you've come.
Thinking in English is a skill you can develop with time and practice.
Start small, stay consistent, and don't fear mistakes.
We hope today's episode has given you useful tools to train your brain and speak more naturally.
Now, listeners, we want to hear from you. What tip from today's episode will you try first?
Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to English Learning Key for more tips and practice.
Keep practicing, keep thinking in English, and we'll see you next time. Until then, happy learning.